Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise tonight and ask my colleagues on both sides of the aisle to concur in House Bill 761. Tonight is a historic night. The fact of the matter is, the American Chemistry Council states that there's enough ethane in the Appalachia region to create a new petrochemical hub in this region. And they state that can be in Pennsylvania, New York, West Virginia, and as we know, it could also be in Ohio. The fact of the matter is, tonight we have a chance to solidify where that next petrochemical hub will be, and we can send a message to the Gulf Coast that we're going to keep our ethane here in Pennsylvania, we're going to create up to 30,000 new jobs, and we're going to re-industrialize the Western Pennsylvania region. Mr. Speaker, we also have an opportunity tonight to finish the work we started in House Bill 1330, introduced and passed out by a wide margin earlier this session by my friend from Montgomery County. We have an opportunity to expand the EITC program and expand it in a targeted way. I think all of you know how I feel about both of these proposals. I respectfully ask you tonight to help me solidify up to 30,000 new jobs, put our folks back to work, send a message that we have the greatest workforce in Pennsylvania, here in Pennsylvania, and we want in 2017 for those companies to come here and spend billions and billions of dollars in our state instead of our neighboring states. Join me in concurring. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Questions.